Hello, how you doing? Hope everyone's okay, and you've all had a really, really lovely day. It's been nice to have some really nice weather this week. Although, as I'm looking out my window now, it's a little bit dark. Um, right, our assembly today is based on all of our Heartsmart stuff that we've been doing, and we are going to have a look at how too much selfie isn't healthy. Okay, so when we take a look at Boris, he looks like he's taking that selfie. And we've been looking at how we don't forget to let love in, learning to love ourselves and allowing others to love us too. But if all we do is think about ourselves, then we're missing out because you, every single one of you, and me, all of you, the adults in the room, is one person in a million. But then so is everybody else. So too much selfie isn't healthy is about how we can show love and empathy to those around us by being kind and offering our help. Helping others helps our hearts to feel good too. Now, if I left all of those things out on the playground and I said to you, right, I want just one person to go pick them up and it's cold and it's wet, how are you going to feel? You're going to feel a bit fed up. And we don't want to leave them out on their own because it means that other people can't play with them. So we have to put them away so other people can feel okay about it as well and have the toys that they want to play with. But if I was to say to four of you, right, it's a race, who can get the most things? There's a dojo for the person who gets the most. On your marks, get set, go. That feels like a bit more fun, doesn't it? So we can make these things into a bit of fun. You can get nagged to do it, or we can turn it into a game and it becomes something that's a bit more fun to do. And actually, that is about looking after each other. So we know that there's stuff that can be left outside, but it's not a good thing to do that. We need to look after each other so that we can look after the things so that we're helping each other. Right, what's that? What's that? That's right, it's a starfish. And I'm going to tell you a story by Lauren Eiley. One day, a man was walking along a beach and he noticed a boy picking something up off the beach and throwing it gently into the ocean. And he walked up to the boy and said, "What's he doing?" And the boy said, "I'm throwing starfish back into the ocean. The surf is up and the tide is going out. If I don't throw them back, they're going to die." "But," the man replied, "don't you realize there are miles and miles of beach and hundreds of starfish? You can't make a difference." After listening politely, the boy bent down, picked up another starfish and threw it back into the surf. And then, smiling at the man, he said, "I made a difference to that one." I think that's a really important thing. What would have happened if the boy hadn't thrown any starfish back into the ocean? What would have happened? Talk to your partner about it and talk in class. Yeah, that's right. The boy made a massive difference to that one starfish, and it saved their lives. So we can all help in a small way. I'm not suggesting that you go to the beach and throw starfish into the water, and I'm not suggesting that you need to save somebody's life, but we can all do something that makes a difference. And no one is too young, no one is too small to make a difference. Everybody can help out. Any act of kindness helps. Now, have a think. Have you done something kind today? Have you had some kind of act of kindness where you've helped someone else? Might be at home, might be in school. And there's two ways that we can help each other's. One is that we can actually be active, we can be proactive, we can do something in advance. So I know that I could go into a class and I could tidy something up. Or I know that if I go home, then I can do the dishes so that nobody else has to. And you can do the same. You know, you've got jobs in class. It might be that there's a couple of pencils on the floor. And as you're walking around the classroom, you pick them up, put them on the desk for someone. Or it might be that you go home and you say to mum or dad, "Look, what do you want me to feed the dog?" Or Shall I put all the toys away that my little sister's left out? So you're helping out. And the other way we can help out is by being responsive. Excuse me. We can be aware of the people and situations around and do something about something that we see. So we might comfort a friend who's upset. We might see that somebody at home has got their hands full and like carrying the shopping, and we might help out carrying the shopping. And to be Heartsmart, we need to do both of those things, to be proactive and to be responsive. So if we're going to think of how too much selfie isn't healthy, how have you helped somebody today? And how are you going to help somebody? That's the question. So have that think. Okay, what are you going to do so that you're thinking of others today? There you go, guys. I hope you help others today. I hope you have a lovely day doing it, and I hope that when you help somebody else, I hope it makes you feel good as well. See you soon. Bye-bye.